The National Weather Service in Albuquerque has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Curry County and east central New Mexico, east central de Vaca County and east central New Mexico, southwestern Clay County and east central New Mexico, northwestern Roosevelt County and east central New Mexico, until 7:45 p.m. at 6:42 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing ping-pong ball-sized hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 7 miles west of Taipan, or about 7 miles east of Fort Sumter, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Talar House. Severe storms produce damaging winds and large hail. Move indoors and avoid windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Mexico: Curry, de Vaca, Clay, and Roosevelt.
The National Weather Service in Midland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Lee County in southeast New Mexico, until 9 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 8:18 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles southwest of McDonald and moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard: 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. The severe thunderstorm will affect mainly rural areas of Central Lee County. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service in Midland. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 09 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Lee, New Mexico, period.
The National Weather Service in Albuquerque has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Lincoln County in central New Mexico, central Chavez County in southeastern New Mexico, until 5 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 4:03 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Arabella to 16 miles northeast of Cheney, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Arabella, portions of United States Highway 70 and 380, as well as State Route 246 may be impacted. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Heavy rains from severe thunderstorms can produce sudden and dangerous flows in arroyos, ditches, and over low water crossings. Do not attempt to drive through areas where water covers the roadway. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in New Mexico: Chavez and Lincoln.
Wow.